Alright, today I'm going to install these Model Y caliper. I bought it from Amazon, and this is the front. It's very durable and very good material. This is heavy duty metal. It's very nice quality, not plastic cheapy. This is metal, and this is for the rear. And they give me two different logo, this Tesla here or this one here. It's new test retard, how you pronounce it. You can put both of them in, either one you like. But anyway, I did install it once already on the passenger front. Here it is. Looks pretty nice. It comes with different colors like cyan, green, yellow, red, black, and I believe pink as well on Amazon. So looks pretty nice and durable. You only have is one screw here and two screw here, one, another one down here. You just clip onto it. This right there, these two. It's just a little it's hard to see. It's one of these thing here. Okay. So all you have to do just put this, slide this inside the caliper here. Slide it in, but go under the caliper. Then you screw on top this, and on both sides, the bottom and top. That's pretty much it. That's all. We'll let you know when I put the wheel on. Very nice. It's cool. I like black. Look more professional, I think. Okay, bye.